Parents, teachers, homeschoolers. My name is Jane Haught.
And I'm Jean Valer.
And we are the authors of Thinking Strategies for Mastering Math. We present math workshops throughout the United States for grades K through 4. And we would like to introduce you to the visuals we use in our workshops called dot cards,
5 frames and 10 frames.
What makes our visuals unique are the 266 activities written on the backs of the cards, which gives your students the extraordinary opportunity to master math concepts and develop problem-solving skills.
For example, when teaching the meaning of the number 5, present the dot card for 5 and ask, how many dots are in the set? How would you prove your conclusion is correct? Write 3 numerals that represent the number of dots in the set. When teaching the meaning of addition, present 2 dot cards such as 2 and 1, and as you join the cards, students call 2 plus 1 equals 3. When teaching the meaning of subtraction, present 2, and as you cover a dot, students will call 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. When teaching the meaning of multiplication, present the dot card for 3 4 times. Students write 4 times 3 is equal to 12. When teaching the meaning of division, present 8 and state 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 because I have 2 sets and I place 4 dots in each set. Present 7 and ask students to write 4 addition equations whose sum is 7. When developing relations between numbers, present dot cards 3 and 4 and state how many dots are in each set. Compare 3 and 4 and name 3's relation to 4. Name 4's relation to 3. How many dots are in each set? Compare 9 and 9 and name their relationship. Remember, all these activities are on the backs of the dot cards. This visual is called a 5 frame. As I present 5 frames, name the total number of dots. 5 frames are a great tool for learning to count on. How many dots are on this 5 frame? Starting with 2, count on to 5. 5 frames are a great tool for naming an unknown addend. 3 plus what number is equal to 5? The algebraic equation students would write would be 3 plus y is equal to 5, and name the unknown addend by think addition. On the back side of the 5 frames, you will find examples of all the possible story problems for the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This visual is called a 10 frame. As I present 10 frames, name the total number of dots. 10 frames help students see numbers 6 to 10 as 5 plus some more. For example, how many dots? 5 being one of 2 addends, 8 is. 8 minus 3 is equal to. 8 minus 5 is equal to. 10 frames are an important visual for seeing teen numbers as 10 plus some more. How many dots are on this 10 frame? How many dots are on this 10 frame? As I join the dots, you can see that 10 plus 7 is. 7 plus 10 is. 17 minus 7 is. 17 minus 10 is. Again, all these activities are written on the backs of the cards. Along with the 266 activities, 146 terms with definitions assure common language across the grades. Thinking Strategies visuals are a great modeling tool when teaching one-on-one in small groups or presenting to an entire class.
Parents, homeschoolers, classroom teachers, purchase your dot cards today and you'll see your students grow in their understanding of mathematics year after year after year.